Hello everyone. So today we have a to the power of a equals to 640 and a is the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's say solution. So a to the power of a equals to 640. So here in the first line we're going to take log to base 10 on both sides. That is log 8 to the power of a equals to log 640. And if we apply the power rule, the power comes down to multiply the log so that the next line becomes a times log 8 equals to log 640. A is the unknown, so we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is log 8, that is all over log 8, all over log 8. Here, log 8 can cancel out. What will be left will be a equals to here log 640 all over log 8. But 640 can be written as 64 times 10. So a therefore will be equals to log 64 times 10 all over log 8. And we are fine. But log a times b can be represented as log a plus log b. And log 64 times 10 is in the form of log a times b. So we're going to write 64 times 10 in this form. So the next line becomes a equals to log 64 plus log 10 all over log 8. And now to write in separate fraction, we can write a equals to log 64 over log 8 plus log 10 all over log 8. So 64 can be written as a to the power of 2. Also 10 can be splitted into 2 times 5. So the next line becomes a is equals to log a to the power of 2 all over log 8 plus log 2 times 5 all over log 8. Here the power comes down to multiply the log, and log 2 times 5 will be written in this form. So the next line becomes a equals to 2 log 8 all over log 8 plus log 2 over log 8 plus log 5 also over log 8. And we are fine in separate fractions. So that a therefore becomes 2 because log 8 can cancel out log 8. That will be 1. And 1 times 2, that's 2. Plus here log 2 over log 2 to the power of 3. 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 plus log 5 over log 2 also to the power of 3. And the respective power will come down so that the next line becomes a is equals to 2 plus log 2 all over power comes down to be 3 times log 2 plus log 5 all over 3 times log 2. A here is equals to 2 plus log 2, we cancel log 2. What will be left is 1 over 3. This is 1 over 3 plus here 1 over 3 times log 5 makes 2. So if we do this very well, we're going to have a is equals to, if you take the LCM of 2 plus 1 over 2, it will end up be 7 over 3 plus here, this can be written as log 5 makes 2 and this also over 3. And the final answer for A will be equals to 7 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. And to verify if this value of A can satisfy the original equation, so in the place of A in the original equation, we replace it with this value, that is 8 to the power of A is equals to 640, so that 8 to the power of 7 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. We want to check if this will be equal to 640. And 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, 7 plus log 5 base 2, this over 3, close the bracket. We want to know if actually this is equal to 640. And here 3 can cancel out. What is left is 2 to the power of 7 plus log 5 base 2. Can this be equal to 640? But a to the power of m times a to the power of n can be written also as a to the power of m plus n. So this is in the form of this. So we're going to write it in this form, so that 2 will therefore be equal to 7 times 2 to the power of log 5 base 2. Can it be equal to 640? So 2 to the power of 7 is 128 times this part, 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 is equals to 5. We want to know if this is equal to 640. 5 times 8, that is 40. If you write 0, carry 4. 5 times 2, that is 10, plus 4, 14. Put down 4, carry 1. And 5 times 1, that is 5, plus 1, that's 6. Of course, 640 is equals to 640. So it is true that the value of A equals to 7 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is correct, because it satisfies the original equation where the right hand side is equals to the left hand side. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Click on the subscription button, like and share. Bye bye.